In this video, I'm going to show you the process to use Hermes Agent to create a LinkedIn and Instagram carousel factory. We are basically going to feed it a prompt or feed it a source URL, so a video, a blog post, or any kind of content, and it's going to generate beautiful carousels like these ones in approximately 3 to 4 minutes. The set of 10 slides is going to cost approximately 80 cents. You will see that we are not going to need any design tools or any design skills. The only skill you will need is being able to copy paste. You'll see that it's a very simple process. So first of all, before I get into the technical details, let me just tell you what you're going to get once you've given the prompt into Telegram. So you're going to get a PDF, you're going to get the post, which is pretty much ready to copy paste. And you're also going to get the slides one by one. So the reason why we get a PDF and the slides is that the format is different between LinkedIn and Instagram. So if you want to post basically a carousel in LinkedIn, you need to use a PDF and post it as a document, as opposed to posting pictures inside Instagram. So different process, but the system provides both. So now we are going to get into the technical details. You will see that this is not really complicated. You will need two things. You will need three. You will obviously need the Hermes Agent installed. If this is not the case, I recommend that you check the other video that we have on the channel, showing you how to install it safely. So we use it with Tailscale so that it's a private network and basically doesn't get exposed on the internet. It doesn't run on your own machine. It's, in my opinion, the best of both worlds. Next, you need to make sure that you have an OpenAI API key, and I will show you where to get that, and a GitHub token. And the advantage when we use the Hermes Agent is that basically you can configure everything just by talking to it. So you don't need to go inside the files and do anything complicated. You just set up the system, choose a model, and tell the system what you want, and it will do it for you. Now, you will see that for this carousel system, I provide you with a plugin. So within the next 5 minutes, you can be up and running, literally. So now let me show you where to get so where is it? It's on here. The token, because it's probably the most complicated part of the process. So you go to GitHub settings token new, and here you'll see that there are two different kinds. So we use the classic one, generate new token, and here you will just give it a name, set an expiration, and select the repos. So that's the first one. Next, we need to get an OpenAI API key. So create a new secret key. So make sure you set those aside. Now we are going to start the Hermes Agent. And we are basically just going to type SSH help. So this is a shortcut, and this is all routed through Tailscale. Yours might look slightly different, but this is just a way to connect to the VPS. I recommend using it on a VPS and not on your own machine for various reasons. Next, I'll type MS, so it's going to start. Next, I'll just ask if I have the GitHub and OpenAI API keys set up. So we will have GitHub and OpenAI keys. Obviously, it's going to say yes or no. So if it says no, you just need to basically ask the system to set them up for you. So we'll just copy paste the two keys that you got from the previous stack. just paste it and it will put them into the environment file on your behalf. Next, I like to have the dashboard and the terminal window running side by side. So I'll just show you how to do it. So MS dashboard, it's going to throw an error because it's already running. There you go. So that was the error I was expecting. So basically now at this stage, you are able to set the configuration of your agent from this window and see what's going on from the dashboard window. So that's my preferred way to do it. And I like to have a terminal agent window running per agent and only have Telegram connected where I'm expected to receive either a confirmation or a request for confirmation when I want to be in the loop or when I want to receive documents. Otherwise, everything else is running from terminal windows. But that's a matter of choice. You can do it in any ways you like. The other way would be that you have one of those, basically a dedicated Telegram channel just for the message and admin. So that's just outside of the scope of this video, but it's just the way I prefer to do it. Next, what you need to do is to head over to the school community. And here you will see that inside the classroom, there is a section called GitHub. Here you will just click this link and it's going to give you access to our organization repo. Now, once you have access, all you need to do is to head over to the repo itself. And then you'll see a URL here, GitHub. So you select everything up to basically blob. Copy that. Next, you go inside the dashboard. So that's another reason why I like to use the dashboard, is that you can visually see what's going on. And here I'm just going to paste that, install. And it's basically going to, there you go, LinkedIn Carousel is now installed. So next, I can, for instance, go back inside the terminal window and say, do we have the dedicated agent for Carousel? It's going to say yes. If it says no, we will request the system to create a new profile on our behalf, making sure that we pass the API keys in it. So it's just, again, a request that we can make conversationally inside this window. And next, we are going to make sure that we have a Telegram channel dedicated to that. So, okay, just going to say, okay. So in order to create a Telegram channel, all we need to do is to go to BotFather, go new bot, give it a name. So you can call it Carousel or bot, whatever you like. And now we are going to call it the Carousel bot. Okay, it's already taken. Anyway, I already have one other setup, so I'm not going to do it again. But basically, when the bot is up and running, you will get an access token like this one. And inside the terminal window, the one dedicated for the configuration, you need to say, okay, now you've created a new profile dedicated to Carousel. Now I want you to add this token and restart gateway. And it's basically going to do it for you. So it's very easy. And the quality of the stuff that we get off of it is just unbelievable. The pipeline is not complicated. It's basically taking the content, reading what the content is about, and then designing a post, making sure that the slides actually correspond to the post. And next, it requests OpenAI ChatGPT image 2 to create one image per slide. And then there is basically a Python script that creates the PDF and makes everything deliverable for you. So really, really easy, really powerful. The next step is obviously to auto-publish, but if you are inside the school community, you get a free GoHighLevel account, which also have an MCP server, which allows to basically publish automatically without going through solutions like BotFather or anything like that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to comment below if you want more information or more videos like these ones. I will be creating plugins on a regular basis. I'm hoping to create 2 or 3 per week. Basically, those plugins, they are designed to be plug and play solutions that you can just use right out of the game without having to learn how to build it.